Hey guys, what is up? Cameron here, back at you with another Madden video. And I'm sorry for not posting lately, guys. But today's video is going to be me opening up some legend packs. Now you see I've already opened up one legend pack, but I haven't. I have not bought a legend pack, but EA glitched out, said I already did this. It did this once with a player pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other two, but since I can't get you guys a full video, I'm gonna also do another opening on my mini account. Alright, so I hope you guys like that new intro. Shout out to Bulldogs Mobile on Instagram who made it for me. So really nice of him to make that for me. Let's go ahead and get into the legend packs. Alright, hopefully we can pull a legend. If we do, it's going to be sick. Alright, no legend in this pack. Don't even get an elite, but it's okay. Last pack in, even though it shouldn't be the last pack. Hit the reveal all. Oh wait, here we go. Another Bruce Smith collectible. So we did not pull a legend, rookie legend, unless we did pull one in the pack that I supposedly bought. But I can go ahead and check for any players that might have missed. Alright, I already had this Mike Ditka. Alright, so it's not looking like we pulled. Oh, we pulled a rookie Chris Carter in that first pack, I guess. I think we did. Alright, yeah, so we pulled a Chris Carter. Sadly, he doesn't even go for anything. I got down to 11 million coins. I was selling coins on Amazon and sold some coins for Amazon. Open up some pro packs. So I really love how EA is coming out with legend packs, so much more often now. Alright, this is going to be the last pack. Alright, so didn't pull anything besides that 86 Chris Carter, or 84, whatever he was. We didn't pull anything besides him, and I didn't even open up the pack manually. I just guess, Madden glitched out, I don't know. But please leave a like on this video if you enjoyed watching. And I will be posting another video on my mini account on my Android tablet. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and thumbs up if you like that new intro. I think it's pretty sick. And also, I still have not done the 50 subscriber giveaway, but I am up to 80 subscribers now. So that's sick, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.